Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: phone charged, flashlight on, soft pry tool ready, and the vehicle parked with ignition off. Open the owner manual or the digital PDF and search for terms like voice recorder, microphone, or telematics module. Once done, physically inspect obvious spots: glove box, center console, under dash trim, because many recorders are tucked near the cabin microphone or telematics control unit. Make sure to note any screws or clips you'll need to remove before proceeding to avoid damage. You now move into the detailed search. Carefully pry off trim panels using the soft tool, listen and feel for clips so you don't break them. Once panels are loose, look for small black modules with wiring harnesses or a microphone grill. These typically connect to the telematics or infotainment system. Photograph each connector and label wires with tape. This makes reassembly simple. If you find a module with multiple pins, trace the harness to the fuse panel or telematics box to confirm it's the voice recorder. You finish by verifying the device. Reconnect any labeled cables, restart the car, and issue a voice command or record a short test clip to confirm functionality. If the recorder responds, reinstall trim panels, aligning clips and tightening screws so nothing rattles. Make sure no wires are pinched and the microphone grill is unobstructed. If you still can't find or test the recorder, take photos and head to a dealer or use a diagnostic scan tool. This troubleshooting step often reveals hidden modules or disabled firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.